You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.